Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Sonos Arc Ultra review. So, the pros are that it has a clear dialogue, great new controls, and brilliant Dolby atmosphere. But the cons is that if you want to have a full setup, then it's going to be extremely expensive. Now, this one person right over here had a very detailed review on Reddit. You can go ahead and read that. But in short, if you want to have like the best options, then this is it, which is base plus 5 and sub plus 10. So when you do that, what it's going to do is make the audio quality even better and clearer for you to sound basically. So you can go ahead and read all these test tones, but this is a great speaker. There's no doubt about that. It's extremely good, and all of the detailing is really well done, and it is one of the best. But as I said, the only cons is that it is expensive, but if you can afford it, go for it. It's very good. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.